Bitcoin price today is $41,587.13, with a 24-hour trading volume of $28 billion. Bitcoin is down 3.88% in the last 24 hours. The current CoinMarketCap ranking is 1, with a live market cap of $789 billion. It has a circulating supply of 18 million BTC coins, and a max supply of 21 million BTC coins. According to our current Bitcoin price prediction, the value of Bitcoin will drop by -15.23%, and reach $35,293 by March 9, 2022. According to our technical indicators, the current sentiment is bearish, while the fear and greed index is showing fear. Bitcoin recorded 50% green days, with 6.18% price volatility over the last 30 days. Based on our Bitcoin forecast, it's now a bad time to buy Bitcoin. Based on today's classical pivot point P1, with the value of $42,783, Bitcoin has support levels of $41,530, $40,610, and the strongest at $39,358. Similarly, Bitcoin resistance levels are at $43,703, $44,956, and $45,476. To get a better idea of what could happen to the Bitcoin price in the future, it's helpful to also explore Bitcoin's price history. In the last month, the BTC-USD pair is up 7.71%. The one-year performance of BTC-USD is -14.99%. Bitcoin price is hovering between a weekly supply and a daily demand zone, leading to a bracketed movement. The recent run-up fell short of retesting the upper boundary, and is currently correcting to find a stable support level. Bitcoin price experienced a solid bounce from the $36,398 to $38,895 demand zone on February 28 and rallied 22%. This uptrend fell short of 138 to retest the weekly supply, extending from $45,550 to $51,860. Regardless, the bears took over, leading to a 9% downswing so far. A further descent is likely to encounter the upper limit of the demand zone, where BTC is likely to find some sort of support that absorbs the incoming selling pressure. If buyers make a comeback, there is a good chance Bitcoin price will kickstart another uptrend that attempts to shatter through the weekly supply. A successful bounce that pushes the big crypto to produce a daily candlestick close above $52,000 will create a higher high relative to the December 27 swing high, indicating the potential start of an uptrend. This development will open the path for investors to expect Bitcoin price to head back to $60,000, or set a new all-time high at $80,000. This optimistic scenario assumes that Bitcoin price does not shatter the daily demand zone. Into the Blocks Global and /out of the money Guillaume model indicates that a key point to overcome for this outlook is $44,073. Here, roughly 2.19 million addresses that purchased 1.5 million BTC are underwater. A move beyond the average buy-in price would alleviate the selling pressure from out of the money investors trying to break even. Clearing this hurdle would open the gate for BTC to push to $50,000, which is the next cluster of underwater investors. Further highlighting Bitcoin's sideways movement is the 30-day market value to realized value MVRV model, which is hovering close to 0%. This on-chain metric is used to determine the average profit loss of investors that purchase BTC over the past month. For the past year, the 30-day has been accurate in predicting a local top. Any move into the 7% to 20% area would indicate a potential local top formation, leading to a quick retracement. The recent rally of Bitcoin pushed the MVRV to 7.3%, and the formation of a local high, indicating that investors are quick to book profits, due to the uncertainty in global markets because of the war between Russia and Ukraine. While these indicators are accurate for analyzing the short-term outlook, the supply on exchanges index can be used to determine the overall health of the long-term investors' holders. The total number of BTC held on exchanges has dropped from 2.64 million to 2.05 million over the past year. Roughly 590,000 BTC token have moved out of exchanges and into cold storage, wallets or interest-earning platforms, suggesting that these holders are optimistic about the future of Bitcoin and less likely to sell. While things are looking relatively safe for Bitcoin price, a breakdown of the $36,698 to $38,889 demand zone will pose a serious threat to the upswing. In this case, if BTC produces a weekly candlestick close below 39,481, it will create a lower low, and hint at a continuation of the downtrend. In this situation, BTC could crash to $29,100, where quite a bit of the sell stop liquidity is present below it. This might lead market makers to knock the big crypto for a run below this level to acquire tokens at a discount.